13 theft cases and he's only 21. This judge isn't just reading a record, he's reading a pattern. And when a defendant racks up this many priors, it's not just about punishment anymore. It's about trust. The big question here, can the system believe he'll ever stop?
You're 21 and you have 13 prior theft cases? I see that, Jillian, I see that a lot of them are like kind of bunched up. There's like at least 2 different patterns of 4 theft cases that are all together. I don't know what that's about. I mean, I haven't done a deep enough dive into his cases, but what's going on now is that your lawyer wants me to give you a PR bond.
This judge isn't buying the sweet talk. She's heard it all before, but be honest, if you were the judge, would you take a chance on someone with 13 priors, or would you keep them locked up? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
I know that you're asking me please, but the problem is though, is if we let you out, are you going to pick up a 4th case, perhaps a 15th theft case? I know that you're gonna tell me little bunnies jumping in the woods, that of course it's not gonna happen, I'm gonna have a halo. I know that's what you're gonna tell me.
Look, I got numbers, I got witnesses.
So, Your Honor, what he's trying to say is that he understands that all of these pending cases involve the same gas station and the same officers. And we'll be looking into the contact that's made between him and those officers in all those cases. But he has been out of trouble, with the exception of what happens on this property. And even, like I said, even the PC with this theft case, it's not in this court, but it's shaky in my opinion. And also the evading as well, Judge, that I was originally on. He's backing up from the officer. He's walking slowly. When the other officers get there, he's still at the location. He didn't evade, I would argue. But it met PC, and so we're gonna fight that. But it's not an evading where he just took off running.
13 prior theft cases. Who do you have in your life that's out to help you?
Here comes the emotional card, a baby on the way for so many defendants. This is the turning point, or at least the hope of one. But can family really break the cycle when the streets keep calling?
I got my baby mama. I got a baby on the way, you know, and I've been staying out the way.
Oh my Lord, you have a baby on the way.
I've been staying out the way, I promise.
Mr. Waters is expecting his very first child. Him and the mother are together. She's very supportive. She was here last week when he was initially arrested. So they're working together to
Let me ask you this.
create a life for their
You
family.
want your baby to be like you?
I don't even want to be like my dad. I promise.
Where's your dad?
Somewhere in Katy. Been on my own side of 12. I've been home, you know, I understand about them thefts, what I used to do back then, but that's not going on.
All these are from 23 and 24. What do you mean back then?
This ain't been going on though, like just ever since I came home, when you gave me the PR, I ain't been doing none of that no more. I just been staying out the way. And these same officers just keep on harassing me, jumping out on me, and I can't even go to the store to get it.
You have the same officers that keep listen, when you're trying to think of something to say, you're not listening. If you know that you have the same officers that are coming after you over and over and over, yet you continue to go back to the same gas station over and over. Jillian,
Judge, I mean, I'm sure it's probably a condition of his felony, but a condition can definitely be that he has to stay away from the gas station. That seems to be his only, like, the only thing I see that he has done is that he either lives around there or he continues to believe that because they sell him things that he doesn't have any issues, that maybe he is or is not allowed, we don't know, to be there. To his knowledge, he is allowed. But that seems to be the only thing he's done wrong since I've represented him.
what I'd like to do, number one, is I would like to compile a list of every theft case that he has, every single place that he's picked up a theft case from. Number two, I want to know where he's going to go. I'm not taking your word where you're going. I want to know, and I want to talk to them myself where you're going to go. So I want to know. And just your baby mama, I don't know.
I got numbers
Okay,
right now.
we'll get there, but I'm not letting you out to roam the streets.
I'm not roaming no more. I got you to understand. I'm not roaming.
We'll get his.
And here's where the judge flips the script instead of another. Jail sentence, she's offering a fresh start, literally. A job fair structure and a plan. This is what rehabilitation is supposed to look like. Accountability with opportunity.
Address and
I want to know every single theft case here. Where are they from? Why? Okay, and then if he has nowhere to go, I want to reach out to the MAC and see what we can do to provide him. And you need to start working. You have way too much time on your hands, and you are the epitome of self-destructive behavior. You need something to do with your life, Mr. Waters. You need to get a job. So this is what we're going to do. And we have a job fair that's coming up. Hold on a second.
November 9th.
Is that the fresh start? Yeah. Can you make him a copy? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna let him out now, but first thing I wanna know is I wanna know where he's gonna go when he gets out, number one. Number two, I wanna compile a list of all the theft cases, where they're from. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a monitor on him. And then number three, he's going to meet me at the fresh start because we're gonna get his ass a job. A full-time job. I'm going to be at that fresh start fair. And I expect you to be there because you and me are going to get you a job one way or the other somehow. I'm going to be working that thing, and I'm going to expect you to show up to that thing at 9 in the morning when it starts, if I let you out. I haven't decided yet. That's where we're at, okay?
Good.
Thanks. Back are we?
It's not like that.
Are you on something right now, Mr. Akers?
No, I'm stressed out. I come from I wasn't gonna talk as a show of respect, but I come from like huge kind of breakdown. Sorry.
Mr. Akers, you stand charged with the offense of criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
Yes, Judge. Officers were dispatched to Houston Recovery Center in Harris County, Texas, in response to a welfare check. Earlier that day, the defendant had been dropped off at the center and became very angry. The defendant began yelling and throwing his shoes at the staff. The defendant walked into a room and closed the door. While inside, the defendant punched the glass door, shattering it. The defendant was also throwing things around the room and hit his head against the wall and the doors. The defendant also urinated in the corner. The complaining witness estimates the cost to repair the glass door to be $1,000 at the Houston Recovery Center.
You can feel the courtroom tension here. The judge sees what everyone else sees. This man is clearly under the influence, but instead of pure punishment, she's testing him, offering one final shot at redemption before locking him up.
I would imagine that he's just not welcome back there. Have you?
I spoke with the recovery center. They said that he's now on a no admission list.
Right. Mr. Akers, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with you because I'm sending you now for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system and how we're going to proceed forward. Look at me.
I have drugs in my system.
Yeah, it's time to stop. You are so geeked out now on something. What?
Stress. My life is stress. I know I messed up. Like what you see in me is remorse for doing something I know is stupid. And I
want you to listen to me, and I want you to listen well. I will give you but one opportunity to get off the dope by yourself. If I find that you're using whatever it may be, I'm going to put you in a rehab facility in the jail.
sir.
I will give you one opportunity to try to get off these demons yourself. But if I find that you continue to use, I'm going to keep you with me. No more dope. I'm sending you now for a drug test. You must take the test and come right back. If you fail to take, look at me. If you fail to take the test, if you fail to come back, I will take away the PR bonds and I'm gonna make your bond extremely high. You have to understand, you don't, unless you do, I would imagine that you have no one that's willing to pony up $5,000 to get you out. Am I right? Consider that when you're out there in the free world. Because if I put you in jail, even at $1,000 bond, you probably don't have anyone that's gonna make it. You're gonna sit there. Make wise choices. You get one opportunity. Are we clear? Okay. I want to send him, I'll have him come right back. And we'll go.
Is that your promise, sir?
It stops today. You will be required to come here every Monday and Thursday to take a drug and alcohol test. The next time you test positive for meth, ecstasy, what else? Amphetamines, phencyclidine, whatever it is, you're going to stay with me and I will put you in a rehab facility myself. Do you understand? I'm giving you the opportunity to stop using drugs now on your own. If you're incapable of doing it on your own, then you will be doing it with me. So you need to do whatever you can to stop using dope. Are you high right now?
I don't freak out.
What do you do for a living, Mr. Akron?
Social Security disability.
How do you really get money?
Social Security disability.
How are you going to stop using?
I have I'm a support person. You know, I understand the gravity here is like. So,
And I'm having a competent examination prepared for him. He's informed me that he has mental issues, that he's been institutionalized.
It's all, Mr. D, it's all because of one reason and one reason only.
I understand.
And I'm going to tell you now, if you continue to use the dope, you have little synapses in your brain, right? Do you know what a synapse is? Okay. You have these little wires in your brain. And if you continue to use dope, those wires, instead of the electrodes, they're going to jumble, they're going to get all crazy and just...
They fill up and they overflow. They can't receive. They can't receive.
If you continue to use dope, you're going to start having psychosis, paranoia, and it only leads and ends up worse. You need to stop now before you hit the point of no return. Do you understand?
Sure.
Do you have any health insurance?
Check it. My feet just like I give this one. Yeah.
Where do you live now? Who do you have in your life?
I have in my life.
Who do you have in your life?
That line hit hard, and it's supposed to. This judge isn't being cruel. She's being brutally real. In just a year, addiction has stripped this man of his health, his freedom, and almost his future. The question is, will this moment finally wake him up?
Okay. You haven't found Jesus yet, so who else do you have in your life? Who?
That's it, man. I got Jesus.
How old are you?
I'm 40, getting ready to be 41.
You're 41. Where's mom and dad?
They died over a decade ago.
What else do you have in your life that can help you out?
Me. I come here to try to figure things out because things weren't going well. In Missouri, I didn't have nothing there. I came here, it's been over a year. I've had a lot of things stolen from me, so it's been really hard to try to reboot this. It's like, it's bad times, so like, I don't know what else to do. I mean, I understand the gravity of the situation. I really wish I had not done that, but like.
Let's talk about the fact of the case.
All right,
Mr. Akers, how do we go forward? How on earth are you going to be able to stop without me having to put you in jail?
I have the ability to. I'm not that addicted. I mean, it's a matter of I see that.
When is the last time that you've not used?
Honestly, it's more of a current issue. I haven't. It never was. It never was a drug of choice. So like, sort of reason. So like, and it's not going to be a trouble. That big of an issue, though. I mean,
Are you tired of feeling like this?
tired of feeling this. I don't understand how to phrase the question. I just what I want is try to finish this, move on from here, because like I just got to a place, find a place that has showers for homeless, and I had to go get an address. I had things I've had trouble with the homeless that give help, because when I go, because I have the social security check, they people find me.
I'm gonna try to find you a place where you can crash.
I'd rather not catch this. Can you give me the week? I mean,
Get off these streets, Mr. Evans.
You're doing your things your way, and it's not been going well. And if you don't realize that, then I'm here to tell you that. You don't look good. You're not acting well. And it looks like you're either high right now or you're coming down. And I'm telling you that you're slowly killing yourself. And I'm seeing you deteriorate in my eyes. And in the last year and a half that you and I have known each other, you were deteriorating. The last time you were here, you had more teeth than you do now. What's gonna happen in a year?
like things have not jump.
So listen. It stops now.
Sir?
No more dope. I will see you here on Thursday for you to take another drug test. And you will test every week with me. The next time you test positive, I'm going to keep you. So I'm giving you the opportunity to stop on your own. If you fail me, then you will stay with me. Do you understand? I'm giving you a heads up that you're not slowly, but you're going like this. And it's not it needs to stop. Okay?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
See you
Thank
Thursday. I will give you resources if you want them. But try to use them so you're not on the street anymore. So we'll give you resources.
Thank you.